Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to create expense from the task screen. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here our module, they create expense from task. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to projects, go to tasks, go to anyone like a design software info and see here this button for create expense. Now click on add description like about expense, select product like a storage box, quantity file, unit price, expense date and employee is admin. Now click on this create expense. So see here now expense is created and also see in form display here about expense category, it means product is storage box, total price is 15, employee is admin. So you can easily create multiple expense from the task screen. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.